Hey, what's up guys? So in the previous video, pinakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-build ng list of companies, and ngayon, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo kung paano makakapag-build ng list of contacts or decision makers na galing dito sa companies na binild natin or company list na kinreate natin. So let's get started. So all you have to do is just to go to home and then create new table and then select find people. Okay? Kasi ang goal natin is hanapin yung mga decision makers from the company list na kinreate natin. So dito naman sa section na to, we have to select companies and then you see this option, table. So select mo lang yung table na kinreate mo. Alright? And in my case, ang kinreate ko dito is yung sample list of software companies. So, select ko lang to. Alright? And then, now that we have the list of software companies connected dito sa search na gagawin natin, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna preview kung ilan ba yung decision makers na we can potentially target from these companies na kinreate natin or company list na meron tayo. So, it says here na merong 1,496 people, okay? And these are the available contacts na nakita ni Clay, alright? So, majority of them are decision makers, some are not. So, ang gagawin natin is i-refine natin itong list. So, to do that, we just need to add more filters dito sa search natin. So, as an example, hahanapin ko lang yung mga founder at mga business owners. Owner. Okay. Then, preview people natin. Right, so it says here na we've got 199 people, alright? So, pwede pa natin mas i-refine yan by excluding yung mga iba pang titles. For example, yung mga assistant to founder. Sometimes nakaka-capture yun eh. So, we can exclude that. And then, we can add yung location. So, if you would like to target founders na located lang sa United States, you can add that filter. Okay? So, 185 people or 185 founders from the company list na kinreate natin. So, ang next na gagawin natin is we are going to import this. Okay? So, again, pwede mong iselect yung import to existing table if you already have an existing table and gusto mo lang i-add itong leads na to. Or you can create import to new table and ito yung isa-select natin. So, yan. So, you're gonna see this option again, wherein bibigyan ka ni Clay ng option to enrich yung list na meron ka. So, pwede niyang hanapin yung personal email, yung work email, mobile phone number. Hindi natin yan isa-select because there's a better way of finding these data points without costing too much credits. Medyo mahal kasi itong credits na to. So, we are going to select continue for free. Alright. So, this is our list and we are going to rename this. So, test list of founders SaaS companies US. Alright. So, this is the list of founders from SaaS companies na located sa US. So, let's check kung ano ba yung data points na pinrovide sa atin ni Clay. And I might be repeating yung word na data point. And when I say data point, ito yung mga first name, last name, full name, job titles. These are all data points. Okay? So, ito yung mga data points na meron tayo. So, sinabi ko na naman ulit. So, we have the first name, last name, alright, full name, job title, location, domain, alright. So, this is helpful. LinkedIn profile, and so on. So, you may have noticed na walang email address or walang mobile phone number yung mga prospects dito. That's because we did not select yung full data enrichment. And in the next video, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano natin mahanap yung email addresses ng mga prospects na to as well as their mobile phone numbers.